All right, here we have a Royce Citizens Band Radio module transceiver. Model 1-650. I've always liked the styling of this one. I picked it up for like $1 or something, or $2 at a closing sale. I've never really used it though, because it takes a weird power thing in the back. I think I have a solution for this though. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get like a standard cigarette lighter, plug, maybe drill a hole right here and I'm going to solder the wires, like snip off the end of it, solder the wires into there and then have it come out of there. I don't know, or I might make some sort of connection for that, or just unscrew this and take it out and do something. I don't know. It's pretty bare bones. It's from like slightly before the CB craze, so March 1976. 23 channel, obviously, because 40 channel wasn't introduced until 79. Smoked plastic knob there. The numbers are on there. It's just going to have like a light bulb right in there. I think I've powered it up once. I don't remember what happened. I think it worked. It's just not very pretty. And that's kind of what we're going to be doing here. I'm going to do an inspection too before I actually get out and use it. Neat looking little device. Very, very 70s looking. Alright, first time opening up here. I got all the screws out. I should say that this thing smells like a CB radio. There is a specific smell that every CB radio has. And this is in a box of CBs. When I walked into the store, this was well over a year ago, I could smell a CB, like I could smell CB radios. They all have a specific smell. It's like cigarettes and machinery. I don't know. And I think it's because they probably all sat in a hot car, everybody smoked, and just the climate. It really just kind of picked up the climate here. And I wonder if older cars smell like this too. But those of you who own an older CB, like new ones don't smell like this, but just these old ones, they smell like this. Any of you who own one probably know the exact smell that I'm talking about. It's really weird. It's all the same smell. But I got to do this one-handed because of the tripod. All right. Oh, wow. This is actually way better quality than I was expecting. Look at that. So we've got this main board under here. And then we got all these little boards coming off of it. And the little boards that come out are like, that's like the thick of it, one could say. Green capacitors. Isn't that good? Is that an oil capacitor right there? No. Just old electrolytics. Unicon. It's probably suck, if I had to guess. Interesting how there is that, what is that, a relay? Yeah, it looks like a relay. Right by the antenna module there. That's kind of interesting. Who makes these transistors? No name. Where was this made? Made in Japan. Okay, that's what I would have thought. What kind of speaker do we have in here? Oh, weird. It's on like a stand almost. Can't really get a good angle at it. Oh, there's an old IC. Let's say I haven't seen any ICs. No name. Big heatsink that it's connected to right there. What we got over here? Big germanium package transistor. That must be like an output or something. It's also got a huge heatsink on it. Okay. I wonder what those blocks are. A lot of old IF cans, you know, normal stuff. But anyways, let's get to kind of cleaning this up a little bit and making a plan for the power. It's been 47 years since you've brushed your teeth. The dentist will not be pleased with you. Alright, a little baking soda and warm water really went a long way, aside from the dust left by the drying towel. Yeah. Really cleaned up nicely. It's just the cabinet. I gotta let that dry. Let's focus in on the front here. Looks pretty doable. Alright, hopefully that looks a little better. It's got some residue from the rag again up there, but that'll all come off eventually. Took the whole front apart and kind of cleaned everything. All that's left now is, like I said, the rag residue. Alright, well, let's put this thing back together and power it up. There we go, all back together. Aside from the drying sweat stains. Oh wait, not all back together. We forgot the microphone thing. Alright, doing a little jerry rigging. I think I got this all hooked up. See if it explodes. Nope. There's no antenna, but that bulb's burnt out. Yeah, I should get an antenna hooked up. Alright, now I'm actually in the car. Tapping off the car's power. You shut up. Okay. Hear the engine rev up, that's good. I wonder what's going on here. Something I'll have to look at. Oh, it's this. I'll need to clean the contacts. Sounds like the little roto turbulator is dirty. I'll show you how you fix this.
In the Buckeye, I heard you when you got up out of there. Worldwide Iron Mike, a.k.a. the Ghost. Good news on the pile getting down.
So yeah, that should do it. I think this is probably the first video that I've ended inside of a vehicle, but yeah, it works, and we cleaned it up.